Hi, I'm Jordan with Karcher. This video is to show the features and benefits of the Sensor XP upright vacuum. So let's go ahead and start at the top with the handle and work our way down to show some of the features and benefits. On the vacuum, you'll notice the yellow daily operator touch points. These indicate parts or pieces the operator will use every time the vacuum is working. Light gray surface touch points are points on the vacuum that we will use on occasion to make sure the health of the vacuum is maintained. Starting at the top, you'll notice the yellow operator touch point to turn the vacuum on and off. You'll notice on the cord handle assembly a thick collar where the assembly slides down into the canister of the vacuum. And there's a clip to lock it into place firmly. You'll notice the yellow operator touch point on the front of the canister where we can open it to check the health of the microfilter as well as the bag itself. At the bottom of the canister, you'll notice the light gray service touch point to detach the canister from the main portion of the head. On the head of the vacuum, you'll notice the light gray service touch point, which is the release for the brush roller. Simply depress this, pull the bearing block out, and you'll have easy access to the brush roller. At the head of the vacuum, you'll notice pictograms and words to indicate operational and safety indicators. If the vacuum ever has a clog or meets an obstruction, a light will illuminate red to indicate servicing is needed. In the rear of the vacuum, you'll see the light gray easy cord release. The crevice tool and the upholstery tool are mounted in the back of the unit for easy access. Access to the exhaust filter is located at the bottom rear of the head. To lower the body, simply depress the yellow operator foot pedal in the right rear of the unit. Well, thank you for watching our video on the features and benefits of the Sensor XP upright vacuum, and until next time, keep it clean.